What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to show you the connection, the HDMI ARC connections to the TV with the soundbar. So that is a very important thing because the connection is easy. You just connect the HDMI to the TV and the other side of the HDMI to the soundbar. That's it. But to get the best out of your TV sound, you gotta do some settings in the TV set. So I'm gonna show you that right now. Although this is an old Android TV, a new Android TV comes with the Dolby Digital and Dolby Digital Plus audio format. So there would be some kind of difference, but this thing has the PCM, as you know, the pulse code modulation, something kind of that for the digital audio part. So I'm going to show you that, and in the place of the PCM, in the new TVs you'll get the Dolby Digital and Dolby Digital Plus, all the formats are there, so you're going to select that one. So the TV is on, and here that's a Govo Dolby Atmos soundbar. It's a 2.1.2 soundbar, two speakers at the top. So let me quickly show you that. So here the front speakers, that's the left one, and there the right one, and the top there you can see one speaker is there. That's the one speaker, right one, and that's the left one. These are the Atmos speaker. Well, if you don't have the Atmos file or Atmos signal coming from the TV or something like that, then this two Atmos speakers will work as the surround sound, and here on the display it will be written as Dolby Surround. So you will get the virtual surround effect from this soundbar, and that effect is very good if you don't want to use the surround speakers, the wires and all at the back. Then this is a good option for you to get the surround effects from the one soundbar only. So now let me show you that. Go to the menu right there, and here you can see some settings are there. It's a picture, that's audio. So here in the audio, here you can see the SPD-IF. That's set to the PCM, as I told you, the pulse code modulation. And here you can see the raw, and it's off. So if it set in off mode, then you'll not get the digital audio signal from the TV. You'll get the analog signal only. And when you turn this thing to the raw, means whatever you are watching on the TV, the audio codec, it'll deliver the same to the soundbar, the raw file. And if you select the PCM, then it will send the digital audio signal 5.1 to the soundbar. So that's the setting here, audio setting for this TV. But in other TV, you'll, as I told you, the new generation TVs, smart TVs, you'll get Dolby Digital and Dolby Digital Plus and Atmos maybe there. So you gotta set that up. And now let's go to the HDMI connection. Here you can see the CC is on, device power off is on, TV power on is on, and here the HDMI ARC, it's also on. So you gotta set all this thing on. If you don't set the ARC on, then it's not gonna send the audio signal to the soundbar. And set this two things, TV device power off, TV power on. So when you turn on the TV will turn the soundbar on. You don't need to separately turn on or off the soundbar. So you just need to turn on the TV, and when you turn off the TV, it will turn the soundbar off. So that's the thing for the HDMI setup. So in this TV, this is, as I told you, the old generation TV. It's a few years old, and the old Android. So the new Android comes with some more features. So you can try that out and let me know in the comments below. And if you want any help regarding this thing, you can ask me in the comments below too. I would reply to all of you guys. So that's it. That's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.